Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it seems like it's been a long time since I have uploaded, but truth be told, it has been a long time since I uploaded. But you guys, it is like really hard trying to run a business and be a stay-at-home mom, as well as helping with virtual learning. I have so many content videos that I have recorded. I just haven't had the time to actually edit and upload it due to the fact my youngest is on my computer throughout the day using it for virtual learning, as well as by the time virtual learning is over, I'm already cooking dinner, running to football practice, and then still come home and do my wifely motherly duties. And by the time I actually get a chance to sit down and edit, y'all, I'm about ready to pass out. So hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully you guys are still loving me and rocking with me. If you don't know who I am or don't know what I'm talking about, I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and today we're gonna be doing another Pollyeye contact review. Pollyeye.com reached out to me and wanted to send me some more goodies because they loved the content that I gave last time. So thank you so much, Pollyeye, for giving me the opportunity to do another one. So this time they sent me 4 pairs of contacts. I chose my 4 pair like I did the first time. And this time I got 1 natural color, 1 Halloween color, 1 Halloween color, and then 2, as you could tell, very different type of contacts. And you guys, let me go ahead and tell y'all, these contacts that I am wearing right now with the moons and the stars in it, oh my god, this is my favorite pair from Pollyeye yet. You hear me? This is my favorite pair. You guys will start seeing these contacts in a lot of my makeup looks for photographing because they are going to pop. You hear me? They're very simple, but the moon and the stars in it actually shows in the contact and on your eyes that I know for beauty videos and beauty pictures, they are going to pop. I'm absolutely loving it. Now, I know this video is going up just a few days shy of Halloween, but you guys, they do have a lot of Halloween design contacts, so you guys can purchase for next Halloween, or you know, just if you're into SFX makeup and stuff like that, or you're into the dramatic, scary looking contacts, go ahead and order yours now. These contacts do have a lifespan on them. They expire in 2024, but you have a year to wear them once you pop them out. So if, like I said, if you're into the Halloween looking contacts, go ahead and purchase yours now. You can use my coupon code that's down below in the hot box, as well as the direct links to all 4 of the contacts that I'll be trying on today. So before we jump off into this video, I did want to share something with you guys. When I get my contacts in from any company, or if I buy them myself, I always take them out of the packaging and then put them into the case with new solution and let them soak for at least 6 to 24 hours, okay? 6 to 24 hours before I actually put them in my eyes, because the saline that they're in is just to keep them moisturized and still wet, but it's not a contact solution. So you can't just take your contacts straight out of the packet and pop it in your eye, because the saline that's in there will burn the mess out of you. I said that last time, but I want to tell y'all, when it comes to Pollyeye, I got 2 pair of contacts that came in this little jar here, and it's super cute. I love this. I really want to keep it, but I honestly don't know what I'll be keeping it for, but I want to keep them. But they came in this, right? And it had the sealing around it. Be very careful when you're messing with the sealing around these, because I pulled the sealing off and not really knowing that it's real metal that's around there, so you can't really see it now, but I did cut my thumb pretty deep, and I I was shocked. It wasn't, you know, the company's fault or anything. It was just me not really paying attention that is real metal. I thought it was like foil type of packaging, but no, it's real metal. So just be careful when opening packages like this from any contact company, especially Pollyeye, because me being in a rush, just doing what I'm doing, I ended up cutting the mess out of myself. From my last video, you guys had asked for me to put on both pairs of contacts so that you guys could get the full effect. So that's exactly what I did. So I want us to go ahead and jump into this video. If you like these type of videos, give me a thumbs up so that I'll know to keep doing more. Comment down below what pair you like on me best, or what pair will you be picking up. Pollyeye has a lot of contact colors and varieties. They do have non-prescription and prescription contacts, so you guys need to go check them out right now. Like I said in the last video, Pollyeye is a new company to me, and I hadn't heard much about it, but they are very affordable as well as a dope contact company. Yeah, I want to thank Pollyeye for giving me another chance to review their contacts yet again. So before we get any further, I would love for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell and join the family over here. I am back with posting. A lot of the videos after this will probably be a whole bunch of my old videos that I have previously recorded. But you guys, I'm going to try my hardest to come back and stay consistent all over again. Hopefully you guys join the family and love it. We're on the road to 5K. So let's get to 5K by the end of this year, and we will be having a New Year's giveaway.